welcome back. We are going to work on the front elevation of this building as we are looking at this building in this direction. And when we are looking at it in this direction, we are going to see the edge of this wall. We see the edge of this wall. We are going to see this window. We see these windows, these windows, these windows. Then we see these doors. Then we see these windows. There's going to be a beam on top of the building as we are going to see it the way I'm going to do it. So what we need to do now to draw the front elevation, we are going to draw horizontal line. Okay, so we draw horizontal line for as the ground level line. So we write it here, so ground level. So that is GL, so ground level. Okay, so that's very, very important. So you need to indicate it. Okay, so now the next thing that we are going to do is that I'm going to take my set square. I'm going to draw a vertical line, but before I go on to that, I don't want too much lines to be on this front elevation. So what I'm going to do is that I will okay, so I will just draw a short vertical line. So for the edge of this wall, so I will just draw it from here up a little bit. Okay, then coming to this, I will also draw a vertical line. Okay, like this. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 1.5 or 2 millimeters for the floor level. 2 millimeters for the floor level. So we need to show that. So I will draw this horizontal line. So for the floor level, the line is not straight. Alright, so then I'm going to indicate the floor level here. So I'll just put FL for the floor level. Okay, so I've indicated that. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a measurement of the floor to ceiling height, as we have here that it is stated here under the wall that floor to or ceiling to floor finish is 3000. So that is 30 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 30 millimeters from this floor level up, 30 millimeters. So this is 30 millimeters, and I will draw horizontal line. So here I will draw horizontal line. So like this. Okay, now the type of roof that is given to us here, the type of roof that, let's work on the roof. So the type of roof given to us here in this drawing is a flat roof or parapet roof. And according to coming to the roof here, we have that 25 bitmos ferrite, and then we have roof finish on 150 reinforced concrete roof, and this projection is 600. Then they said parapet 225 by 225 concrete with coping 500 high. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to add this 225 with this 150. So 225 plus 150, that will give us 375. So 375. So that's what we are going to have there. So now so I will need to extend this vertical line. Extend this vertical line a bit. Okay, so then extend this a little bit. Then I'm going to take a measurement of, we have 375. So I'm going to, so by 100, that will give us what? That will give us, let's say that is 4 millimeters. So I take a measurement of 4 millimeters here. So this is 4 millimeters, and I'm going to draw horizontal line. Okay, so I draw horizontal line like this. So with the coping on it, they said that is 1000. The coping is 1000 or 150. Let me check. Okay, so that's 500. So 500 by 100, that is 5. So I will take a measurement of 5 millimeters up like this. Okay, so I will also draw horizontal line like this. Okay, now so the next thing I'm going to do is that, so for this east projection, I need to show it here. So here I will just draw So a vertical line, so draw a vertical line like this, and then here I will also draw a vertical line for the eaves projection. Is it okay? So for the coping, so I just take 5 millimeters out of this line, 5 millimeters a little bit out. So this is 5 millimeters to this side, and here also I will take 5 millimeters to this side. Okay, so here I'm going to draw a vertical line. Here I will draw a vertical line. Alright, so and then for this line, so I'm going to make this line a thick line. And then this line also I will make it a thick line. And this line I will make it a thick line. Alright, so then also make this line a thick line, and this line also will make it a thick line, and then this line as an edge of a wall, it will be a thick line, and this will also be a thick line. Okay, so also another line that we are going to make a thick line is this, the edge of a wall here and the edge of a wall here in the front elevation, the plan. So in the front elevation it will be a thick line. I will also have a beam, so there, so I will draw a vertical line down here, and here also I will also draw a vertical line. Okay, so this says something about the beam in the specification, so let me look at it. So they mention a beam, that a beam, so reinforced beam is 2,425 from floor from finished floor level. So so that's going to give us what? That's going to give us 24.25. So I take a measurement of 24 millimeters up, 24 millimeters up. This is 24. So that's the beam. So for the beam, I'm going to draw a thick line, so from here to here. Alright, so then, so this will be a thick line, so from here down, and also from here down. Alright, so then for the doors, so we have these two doors, so we need to project them down here. So I will just come here. Alright, so the height of the, let me take the height of the window, of the door first. So the height is 21, because we have 2,100, so that will be 21. So because of the windows that I'm going to draw, I'm going to draw a horizontal line, because the edge of the top of the door and the top of the windows, they are the same level. So take note of that. So now I can now draw a vertical line. So a vertical line, so from here down, also a vertical line from here down, then a vertical line here. Alright, so then the frame, so I just move away a little bit, like 1 millimeter. So draw the frame here, and I will also draw this. Okay. Alright, so then, so I come up a little bit, so draw a small horizontal line here for the frame of the door. Alright, so and then, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I need to make this line thick lines. Okay, so I believe you can see the way I'm doing this work. It's very simple. All right. Okay, then here I need to make this, so this floor level we are going to see it. Why for this part? So it's going to be drawn with short dashes line for the inner part of the building. We can't see it from outside, so that's why we need to draw this with short dashes line. So that's what I've done here. So that is for the floor level inside the building, so you cannot see it from outside. So we need to draw it with short dashes line. Alright, so that's what I've done. Okay, so now for this door, so I'm going to, so they say it's flush door, so I'll just put something here like this. Alright, so I'll just leave it, I'm leaving it like this. Okay, so it's a flush door. So though they said it is wooden, so I will have put marks, but I will have maybe I should just put something like this for the door, for the, because it is wooden. Alright, so this is okay. Now for the windows, so we are told that the windows are louver windows. So I need to locate, I need to do this. So draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line down here, and also I will draw a vertical line here. Then this I will draw a vertical line. So let me just do one out of these windows. Then the remaining I will do it while I pause the video. So I'm going to move away a little bit. So take a measurement like 1 millimeter to the, so, and also I'll do the same thing here and take 1 millimeter to this side also to create the frame of the windows. Then come down here a little bit. I will also draw horizontal line here to create the frame of the windows. Then the height of the windows, according to what we have, this we have WW. So according to the specifications, so the height is 12 millimeters. So I will take 12 millimeters down. Okay, 12 millimeters down. So this is 12 millimeters. Okay, then I will draw horizontal line here. So draw this horizontal line. Then I will also move down a little bit. So draw another horizontal line like this. Okay, so then we are told that they are louver windows. So I'm just going to create the louver glass here. Okay. All right. So we are working on this window. So it's a louver window as we are informed in the specifications. So I'm trying to make it more feasible. Okay. Alright, so we have created this window. So we are still going to produce this one and this. So I pause the video while I do that. Alright, so we have fixed the remaining two windows. Another thing that we need to do here is that we need to come up a little bit here in the roof. So just come up a little bit, and then we need to draw short dashes line for the inner hole, or for the can be a square hole or rectangular hole within this type of roof. Okay, so that is why they use bituminous freight to prevent water from dripping into the building over this part. Okay, so this is it. All right, so we are done with the front elevation. So let's move on the construction of the sectional view. Thank you, and God bless you.